Welcome to another video from flashcardsforkindergarten.com. In this video, I'd like to introduce the drink flashcards and poster. The drinks flashcards come in a set of 20 flashcards, which can be used with the sentence pattern, "What drink do you like?" "I like cola," or "I like apple juice." The poster and flashcards can also be used with the sentence pattern, "What is your favorite drink?" "My favorite drink is orange juice." The flashcard set features common drinks like cola or orange juice, as well as other drinks like green tea and hot chocolate. Try to expand on the teaching materials by asking the children if there is a drink that they like which they cannot see on the poster. Also, if you would like to extend the use of your flashcards, why not cut away the word from the picture? This way, you can play matching games in class. Another way to play activities is to print 2 sets of the cards and then play a matching game. If you like the flashcards seen in this video, please visit flashcardsforkindergarten.com. Thank you.